Hey, I've just got a tweet from Alan.
Alan is such a swell guy. What does he say?
He's having a house party.
Oh my god, we should totally go. He has the best MP3 decks.
Oh my god, no way!
Yeah, awesome. Totally, let's go.
Awesome, let's go. Where's your fucking tourist destination? take me